If you have a washing machine that stops working during a wash cycle, is giving 3 quick beeps, or you notice cycles like whitest hot works but delicate cold doesn't work, or the machine's showing F8E1 low water flow error code, then maybe this video may help you. This is how I tried to troubleshoot and fix my Whirlpool front loading washing machine after some research. Here I'm taking off the top panel by removing 3 screws. We found that our machine could finish a load on a hot wash, but would error out during a cold wash. While running a cold wash with the top panel off, cold water was coming in, but it wasn't sounding very strong. I was pretty sure it was coming through the top part of the valve, but not the bottom part. After some online research, reading tech manuals, and watching YouTube videos, I was pretty confident that the issue was that the cold water inlet valve was no longer working, and replacing it is not very difficult. You'll want to unplug the machine and turn off the water. Disconnecting the hose was easy. You'll want to have a bucket to catch any water still in the hose. While you're at it, you can pull out and see if the filter is clogged, which may also be a contribution to low water pressure. In my case, it wasn't clogged. This valve was screwed in with this star security screw, for which I did not have the bits for. I ordered some on Amazon, see link in the description below, and was able to easily unscrew it. Next, I unplugged the wires connected into the valves. They come out pretty easy, but the bottom blind side is a little harder to get to. Remove the hose clamps in both hoses. Just be careful not to let the hose clamp fall to the bottom of your machine. Now the cold water inlet valve is easy to remove by rotating it to the point it can fit through the hole in the machine. I bought this cheap non-OEM valve for about $10 on Amazon, see link in description below. You can search for the original manufacturer part or go with more expensive ones. I'm not sure how long this cheap one will last, but for $10 I was willing to take the risk. Put in your new valve in the reverse way you took out your old one, rotating it so it locks into the machine. Reconnect the wires to both sides of the valve. Reconnect the hoses and make sure to clamp them. I placed the clamps back into the original groove marks. Reconnect and tighten the water hose on the outside of the machine. Lock the valve to the machine with the same security screw you took out before. Turn the water on and plug the machine back in. Make sure water is not leaking from the hose connection. Alright, let's give this a shot and see if this $10 replacement valve actually works. I'm going to put it on cold wash, which was giving us those problems with beeping and low pressure errors. Do you hear that? Sounds like water is running through. It did not sound like that when it was broken. The water is filling the compartment again. The water in the machine is filled quickly and now noticeable. I hope this video helps you. I did a ton of research to fix this and wanted to give credit to these other resources to help me. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and pass it along.